Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day as I am today. My name is J.K. Hool, and today we have a wonderful thing happen today. We got a beautiful part that came in for the truck. Let me show you. Look right there, folks. Look at that. That Raptor grill right there. What we're going to do on this video, you and me, well, mainly me, are going to put it on that. So, let's get to it. Alright. Looks like all we gotta do is take a couple bolts out here and there and it should come right out. That shouldn't be that bad. Alright, well, first I'm gonna have to take off this bug guard. Alright guys, this has turned into a nightmare to get this bug guard off. But I think I got it. Got it. If you take one of these off, Lord help you. They're not easy. It's an AVS brand, just so you know. You put them on with double side tape, it's never coming off. I think I've got most of the bolts out. Alright. Damn. One clip came off one piece. I'm not going to bore you guys, but I got to take this part off, put it on a new grill. Okay everyone, as you can see, I finally got that off. Let me tell you what, this is a pain in the ass to get this off. And when you do this, okay, you will break these little clips right here. I don't care how cautious you are, they're breaking. I tried a little plastic clip, it didn't work. So now we got to put it back on. But first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this mess up. I'm not going to leave you guys watching me clean that. You know, there's no sense to me you watching that. I mean, it's, you know how to get a wet rag and wipe it off, so I'm not going to do that to y'all. Alright guys, as you can see, I got her cleaned back up. Alright folks, that was a pain in the butt too. Wouldn't recommend you do this one at home by yourself. Thanks God I got my lovely wife behind the camera helping me out. But here's what it looks like so far. See what y'all think. Don't think it looks too bad. The only thing I see I'm going to have to do, I don't know if you guys can see it, but see the blue right here showing through? I'm going to have to go by Ford and buy that color touch-up paint. I think if I just touch that up in there, you'll never see it. I think that worked pretty good. Alright, I got the wire in so far. Let me show you. Let me see up there. Push them up there and hit them around the lights. It should not come down. And I ran it down behind the sun. That stuff came out down here. And I'm right out here. So as you can tell, I've got to this point right now. So now I'm going to do is take the headlight out. All I gotta do is take these out, take this off, 2 bolts back here, or according to YouTube, that's all I gotta do. Pull the headlight out, and I'm gonna splice it into it. I got a solder gun, I got it heating up over here, and we'll solder it in, shrink it up. All right, everybody, what I'm gonna do now is the wire over the lights isn't long enough. I got a spot right here I can ground it, no problem. There we go. I got it soldered. Now I'm gonna heat shrink it. It's cooling. One thing I'll make very important. Whenever you're doing wiring, I don't care if it's your stereo at home, electronics, any wiring. Indoor, outdoor, wherever. Best thing you can do is solder it first. Twist it, solder it good, heat it up real hot so the solder melts down inside the wires. And then, you know, if it's inside a house, you got to put the little orange caps on it, fine. In this case, shrink. Now when you're on an automobile, to make sure you don't, notice I stayed away from the paint with the gun. It will peel the paint up. Don't do that. Put it against the truck so you can see it. As you can see, the way I did that, I put a piece up here, up to here, because this is going to the body to ground out. I got to put a little plug on that, but I ran it down, soldered it, folded it around gently, like that. Now that's completely waterproof. Okay, nothing will get in this because the way I did it up there too. And that will totally protect that. Had to fight a little bit there with the wire and everything, but we got it done. And as you can tell, it comes down, goes under here, all the way down. I don't know what you call it, but it's the, you crimp it over the wire, it has the end sticking out, and you put it in the light. Ah, hell, anyway. I spliced in the running lights on the side. Grab it, pull it down. Now, what do y'all think of that crap? That's pretty cool, ain't it? That totally changes the look of that truck. I don't know about y'all, but I think that just looks freaking awesome as hell. It went off because I just popped the door before y'all. Alright, but anyway, you got the light on me. There you go. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for being patient with it. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button for me. Like the video. It really, really helps. Remember, I always answer all your emails. Y'all are really good about emails, to be honest with you. I get a lot of emails from you guys. I appreciate it. Don't forget, don't text and drive. It kills. I know. Alright, see y'all later. Bye.